Think AI is truly creative and gonna replace you? Think again. It can't have new original ideas. We give it our ideas using prompts. It doesn't understand what's right or wrong. And no, it can't be a businessman like you. It doesn't take risks, build relationships, or learn from failure. Right now, AI doesn't even have memory, and I think in future it might never be given memory because millions of people interact with it and it's impossible to store millions conversations. And without memory, it's missing one of the most powerful thing you have, experience. But it can act as your second brain if you know how to use it right. I am on the journey learning how to use it effectively. If you are curious too, hit the subscribe button and let's learn it together.